Welcome to this video on Flet Buttons. We'll cover everything from the basic controls to advanced interactive UI patterns using Python and Flutter. This course starts with the basics of Flet Buttons and progresses to advanced UI techniques. Buttons are how users interact with your application, making mastery essential for a great user experience. Module 1 introduces the core button types. Flet provides several button styles out of the box, all adhering to material design principles for a consistent look and feel. The elevated button is the most common, featuring a shadow that makes it appear to lift off the page. It's best for primary actions like save or submit, and the syntax is straightforward, accepting text and an on-click function. Next is the filled button, a solid colored button without a shadow. It is ideal for high-emphasis actions that don't need elevation. You can easily add an icon, as shown in the example syntax. The outlined button has a visible border but no fill color. Use it for secondary actions such as cancel or back. The syntax is simple, taking the button text as an argument. Finally, the text button is a button without a border or background. It is best used for tertiary actions or links like learn more or forgot password. Module 2 focuses on styling and customization. Buttons need to do more than display text. They must match your application's brand and visual identity. To enhance clarity, most buttons allow you to add an icon using the icon property, as demonstrated with the elevated button syntax here. You can customize colors and shapes using the style property. Key properties include color for text and icon color, BG color for the background, and content to create complex layouts using row or column controls. Module 3 is about handling events, specifically the _click property. The functionality of a button is defined by what happens when a user interacts with it. A basic function call involves defining a function that takes an event argument, e. This function is then assigned to the button's _click property. A critical point. If you change any part of the UI within an event handler, you must call page.update. To refresh the screen and show the changes to the user. Here is a complete example showing how to update a text label's value every time the button is clicked, followed by the essential page.update call. Module 4 covers advanced button states, starting with disabling buttons. Disabling a button using disabled equals true prevents multiple submissions or indicates a pending operation. Remember to call page.update to apply the grayed out appearance. When you don't need text, use the featuring icon button class. It's ideal for toolbars or small actions like delete or like. You can define its icon, color, and on _click action easily, as shown in this example. For our final project, you will create the toggle master. The task is to build a single button that changes its text, icon, and color every time it is clicked, such as a play/pause button. To start the practical session, navigate to your terminal. Create and change into a new project directory. Then use _flet create and _flet run to get your application running. Here is a peer tip. Use on _click sparingly for heavy computations. If a long process is triggered, immediately disable the button to prevent multiple clicks and ensure a good user experience.